A large cylindrical plastic tank was rolled to the base of the hill. This will serve as the core infrastructure for the house. Digging began on the hard hillside soil using a pickaxe and shovel. A properly sized space is needed to install the tank. Loose stones and soil inside the cavity were removed to level the surface. A flat base will help keep the tank stable. Loose stones and soil inside the cavity were removed to level the surface. A flat base will help keep the tank stable. The plastic tank was carefully rolled and positioned deep inside the cavity. This underground placement will provide natural insulation. Long wooden planks were carried down from the hillside. These will be used to cover the exterior of the tank. Wooden planks were arranged in rows over the curved top of the tank. This creates a strong protective layer over the plastic. The planks were firmly nailed to the sides of the tank using a hammer. Each board was placed following the curvature of the tank. Large stones were arranged on both sides to create retaining walls. This will prevent the surrounding soil from collapsing. The excess ends of the planks were trimmed precisely using a chainsaw. This makes the front of the house look neat and organized. Short wooden segments were cut to build the rounded front arch. This highlights the traditional Hobbit House aesthetic. Each segment of the arch was carefully nailed to the main structure. This reinforces the area around the window. A string and marker were used to measure the window opening on the front of the tank. Without precise measurements, the frame cannot be fitted. A chainsaw was used to cut the front of the tank to create the main entrance. This will allow easy entry and exit from the house. The circular wooden frame made for the main entrance was carefully positioned over the doorway. This will ensure perfect alignment and make the entrance look sturdy and organized. A small circular section was cut out next to the door for a window. This window will allow for light and ventilation inside the room. Long wooden beams were placed inside to build the floor. These act as a solid foundation to hold the floor planks. Wooden planks were laid over the beams to create a level floor. This creates a comfortable walkway inside the curved tank. The planks were firmly nailed to the beams using a hammer. A solid floor ensures the long-term durability of the home. A raised wooden platform or bed frame was built on one side. It is specially made to be used as a sleeping area. The lower part of the platform was reinforced with extra support. As a result, the bed will be able to bear more weight. Artificial green grass rolls began to be spread over the roof. This will blend the house perfectly with the natural surroundings. The joints of each grass layer were firmly secured with glue. This helps keep the grass in place even during strong winds. Natural moss was collected from around the hillside. These natural elements will be used to enhance the house's beauty. The collected moss was carried in buckets to the front. These will be planted at the joints of the stone wall and soil. The moss was carefully placed in the gaps of the stone wall. This creates an artistic integration between the house and the hill. The front wooden section was painted using a spray paint. The dark brown color makes the house look modern and durable. Each layer of paint was applied evenly to protect the wood. This completely finishes the exterior work of the house. stubborn dirt inside the tank was removed using a scrubber. Then, everything was wiped thoroughly with a dry cloth. A comfortable mattress was spread over the wooden floor. Consequently, the sleeping area is now fully ready for use. The bed was neatly made with a soft sheet and pillows. This makes the interior environment much more comfortable. A trap was made using PVC pipe and a plastic crate for fishing. This is a necessary technique for survival in nature. The prepared trap was taken to a nearby mountain river. Where the water flow is strong, the chances of catching fish are high. The trap was carefully placed between rocks under the river water. The rocks will protect the trap from being washed away by the current. More heavy stones were placed on the trap to keep it steady. This is a very effective and simple method for catching fish. The next morning, the trap was carefully lifted from the water. It was seen that many live fish were caught inside the crate. The collected fish were strung together and carried back across the hillside paths. These live fish will serve as a special dinner in this remote mountain setting. A small wooden hanger was fixed near the door to hang the fish. This depicts a traditional image of hillside living. In the sweet light, this home stands as an artistic blend of modern ideas and natural techniques. Through hard work, a simple tank has become a cozy Hobbit house, proving that dreams can be built within nature. If you liked this transformation, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.